and it might be in 3D. Can't wait for that. Okay, it's recording. You can go ahead and watch it now and describe it, like commentary on it.
Alright.
Don't spare any details.
I'm BigAl, and I'm regretting ever doing this.
Hell, come on, you like this show. What's going on?
He's gonna start it with the onion.
What is he doing?
He's eating the onion right now.
Okay, he's eating it, but aren't you like supposed to like chop it up or something?
No. Then now he's eating a tomato.
Oh. Vegetables are good for you.
Now he's eating a mushroom.
Is he gonna get an extra life?
And he's eating a sausage right now.
Sausage. I can't help but giggle at that word.
Okay. Now he's gonna eat a pepper.
Pepper is hot and spicy. Are they bell peppers?
Shitload of. Now he's gonna eat a stick of butter. I'm starting to gag just watching this.
Oh. Is it really that bad?
It will be. I see. Now he's chugging down cream.
Oh, it's good. Like, his mouth, you gotta, get that food down.
Now he's eating cheese. Cheddar.
Cheese is good, man. I'm a cheese fan.
Now he's actually mixing. Oh, no, he's not mixing the eggs. He's swallowing them. Fuck that.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Oh.
I bet they taste. Was he Rocky?
Oh.
What's happening?
Now he's throwing up all the ingredients of the book. Oh my god!
Oh man, isn't that bad?
Oh god, holy shit, I just ate two! Oh! I ate goulash and apples. Why, god? Oh! I fucking hate you. I saw it. It's coming out of his nose, it's coming out of his mouth. Oh, he's like, we need to add an extra egg, so he swallows an extra. Oh. I just threw up a little bit in my mouth. Oh my god, it's coming out in all different colors.
A rainbow.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh. I just threw up a noodle. Oh. Now he's cooking it in a pan.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Oh.
Drinking some Skype
conference.
Oh. Oh, that's disgusting. Is he eating it?
Not yet. He will be. Well, at least it's cooked.
At 160 degrees at safety temperature.
Oh, he's gonna eat it now. Oh. He's eating it.
Oh, how's it taste?
He likes it. Oh my god, he actually likes it.
Maybe you should try that recipe, Al.
Oh, fuck that. Oh. That sucked. Kyle, I hate you. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Oh. I never want to see that clip again.
Hey Al, would you like to make an omelet?
No, fuck no.
But I want breakfast tomorrow. Make me an omelet.
No. Oh. Jeez.
Don't forget to add. I like spicy cheese, so give me some sharp cheddar.
Oh. Good lord. Frickin' hell.
I got the unrated movies of both Jackass 1 and 2. I saw the one where he had Bam try a piece and he just kept throwing up on Dave, but then Dave got a ball to collect the puke to make more omelets. Oh shit. This is gonna be a good upload, Al, I assure you.
Oh, I'm sure it will.
Dude, would you record yourself with camera to see your reaction?
No.
Ah, god damn, I would love to see that reaction, man. It would have been so priceless. But recording is not good enough, so let me just stop this and send it to you.